In this video today, we will see what to do if another iPhone can't detect or find your iPhone while using AirDrop. Now the first thing is, in order for your iPhone to be found, you should have to at first unlock your iPhone. Now the next thing is, AirDrop works with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So make sure that there is Wi-Fi connection in your device. Also, make sure that the Wi-Fi is working in your iPhone. So try to open any YouTube videos or try to open any website and check if the Wi-Fi is working. Now also what you have to do is you have to scroll down and open this control center and make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. The other thing is, go to settings, go to this option cellular. If your cellular data is on like this one, and if the personal hotspot is on, what you have to do is you have to turn off this hotspot, or you can turn off this cellular data and check if your iPhone can be found or not while using AirDrop. Also, the other thing that you have to do is again swipe down the screen from the right corner to open this control center, and you have to tap and hold on this group here. You can see AirDrop. Make sure that this AirDrop is not off like this one. Tap on it and make sure that it is either contact only or better for everyone for 10 minutes. Because if the person who is trying to send you something by using AirDrop, and if he or she is not in your contact list, then they might not find your iPhone. So make sure to select this option, everyone for 10 minutes. Now after this, the other thing that you have to check is make sure that you are signed into your Apple ID. Go to settings, tap on the name at the top here and make sure that you are signed into your Apple ID. Now the last thing that you will check is you have to go to settings here, go to this option screen time and go to this option content and privacy restriction. Go to this option allowed apps. Enter the screen time passcode that you have set and make sure that this AirDrop is not disabled like this one. Enable this option if it is disabled. So do all of these things and hopefully the other iPhone should find your iPhone while trying to use AirDrop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment on the video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.